Welcome to Toggle. In this short video, we'll show you the functionality of one key aspect of Toggle, which is the asset overview. Its main purpose is to really help investors do a quick bit of due diligence on a particular asset, single stock, currency, commodity that they are looking to trade, and would just like to check that there isn't anything that they might be missing. So when you first log into Toggle, you will end up on the Explore page, which really is where all of the insights are coming together. And then on the upper right side, you'll notice a search bar where you can enter the ticker for a particular company or a currency, commodity, fixed income, equity index, really any of the 15,000 assets that Toggle is currently covering. So let's, just as an example, look at the current favorite, which is GameStop. And typing in GME shows you that the search bar has already identified what you're probably looking for. Here it is. Hitting enter will take you immediately specifically to the page that will be a GameStop overview page. And as soon as the page loads, you see there are 4 key elements to the page. You of course have the price chart, more about this in a minute. You have the key values, you have the news section with the most recent news being streamed in, and then the insight cards that highlight all of the recent active and completed insights that Toggle has put forward on this specific name. Now, let's first spend some time on the key values in the news section. So here you have some of the values highlighted just to help you get a quick sense of whether or not this company is a dividend payer, what the earnings growth is expected to be based on analyst expectations, what the forward PE is, some of the key technical indicators, what the traded volume was most recently, and what the market cap is. On the other hand, on the left-hand side, you have a lot of that information presented to you visually. So the red arrows and the green arrows are really marking the moment when Toggle generated an insight, red for bearish, green for bullish, and highlighting that arrow immediately gives you also the entry point here in light sky blue, the stop loss level here highlighted in red 291.59, as well as the target price 211.82, so that even before reading the actual insight, you can immediately see both the direction and the magnitude of the expected move. Now, right above it, you see a gray line being highlighted that shows that entry is at 265, target to 211.82, and it shows that this is a 5-star insight based on sentiment, so that is the driver, and that it's bearish with the red arrow indicating the downside, and it's meant to be within a 6-month window. So you see that the 6-month horizon is also highlighted up there. If you do this with any of the arrows, you'll be able to see immediately that this is how all of them work, and so you can very quickly just get a sense of what is the projection, what is it telling me, are there more bullish than bearish drivers, and so on. Clicking on this card down below where you have similarly summary information all in one card, the star, the earnings growth as the driver, the remaining percentage, you can click on that and it will take you straight to the actual analysis. Now, going back again to the chart that we are looking at, you can see that importantly, Toggle is not trying to give you a buy or a sell recommendation. Rather, it's identifying likely drivers and the magnitude and direction of those drivers based on historical analysis that would have been done by the system. So what's quite encouraging for any particular asset, if you're bullish already, is to see this kind of agglomeration of green arrows that are pointing to positive price pressure stemming from a variety of different drivers. And so it gives you more confidence that whatever view you have that is currently looking to buy the stock is likely to be supported by the analysis that Toggle has done. Each chart can also easily change the horizon. So here the default is 3 months, but you can also look at a 6-month, 5 years, or even the entire price series, in this case going all the way back to the early 2000s, so that it gives you a quick overview of what the price action in this particular name has been most recently. Now, again, remember that the important thing here is to keep track of how the price pressures are evolving based on Toggle. But if you'd like to follow this name more closely, all you need to do is click on the add to watch list, and from now on, GME is added to your watch list, and the system will send you an email and phone notification the moment there is a new insight on this specific name that has been published. So you'll be immediately notified. I hope this was helpful. Thank you again for using Toggle, and happy trading.